Hi, welcome to the Crumbs and Doilies shop. Now, obviously, this is my shop, so I'm allowed to be here whenever I like, but I'm here to steal some birthday cookies in their plenty because I'm going to be heading over to the burger place, and they are my favourite burgers in London, and we're so excited because we're about to do a collaboration with them with a milkshake using our favourite birthday cookies. So the guys are just boxing up some cookies for me now. I'm going to take them over to Zan in Victoria, and we're going to get shaken. Thanks, put it on my tab. Don't know. See you later. Hello, I'm here at Bleecker Burger in Victoria Station. Well, it's not in the station, it's just behind it. But anyway, it's a really, really crazy busy spot. There's just buses and cars and all sorts whizzing about. I've got the goods, so I'm gonna go in, meet Zan. I mean, not meet her, I've actually known her for years, but you're gonna meet her. And we're gonna make the shake together. Come with me. Hello. Oh, how are you?
Not bad. Good to have you here, Gemma.
Thanks for having me. This is my friend Zan. She is the brainchild owner of Bleecker Burger.
I do burgers.
I do the sweet stuff, she does the burgers, and that is why we're here. This has been something we've been working on for, it feels like forever now.
A very, very long time.
I've literally been thinking about it every day since. I just learned it's your busiest location and potentially the busiest burger place in maybe the world.
The world, yes. Pretty busy here.
Perfectly positioned right behind Victoria Station, which if you don't know is literally like a hub of travels. I mean, how many people do you think walk past this place every day?
Millions.
Must be millions, right?
Millions. Who doesn't want, you know, after a long trip on the tube or across the country, come in here, grab a burger, grab a very, very special shake.
I have my cookies in here.
We'll take our ice cream that we make and mix it with your magical cookies, and there we go.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it.
Right, we are in the kitchen. Small but perfectly formed. Zan, you're going to talk us through how we make this delicious milkshake.
We have your birthday cookies, which I'm going to chop up and then put in this blender. And we're going to whiz them, and that's what we use to put at the base of the shake.
All right, yum.
Yeah.
Get chopping then,
So
girl.
hopefully I hit some of those nice white chocolate patches.
Oh yeah, yum.
Yeah.
It's very difficult not to just have a piece.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
All the white chocolate and the caramelised white chocolate in there.
We're going to pop them in the blender.
Yep. Now, if you wanted to do this at home, you could. It's actually really easy. And you won't be able to use Bleecker Burger's amazing soft serve ice cream unless you literally come here with like a polystyrene container and take it home. But you could just use vanilla ice cream.
Yeah, so it's just like a little bouncing that really breaks them up quite easily.
Very efficient blender.
Just give it a little
if you
shake.
don't mind me saying.
Yeah. Powerful tools here at Bleecker.
Wanting like a sandy kind of, like a
Gravelly.
gravelly.
Yeah.
Because actually, you want some bits, don't you?
Definitely.
I like bits.
And I think if you like over blend it, like some of the like butter and
it
get a bit moist. Okay, so I'm gonna take our scoop and pack in 5 of these things. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right. That's about 60 or 70 grams. It's half a cookie. Okay, so what is next?
Okay, so next we take our blended cookie and we put it on the scale. We add 100 mils of milk. And we zero out the scale so we know exactly how much ice cream we're putting in, which is about 300 grams.
Wow, that is
a lot of ice cream
ratio of ice cream to milk.
Yeah,
I'm liking it.
We get you a pretty decent sized shake here, Gemma. Then I'm taking the ice cream.
I'll have a go on that later.
You can, Gemma, you can.
Let's see.
Okay.
Stellar work. And you make this ice cream, don't you, here?
Yeah, we make it here.
Oh, you do?
Every shop makes their own ice cream. We've done that since, yeah.
That's so cool.
It is pretty cool.
Is that the secret to your delicious shakes? The fact that you make your own ice cream, you're not using like a pre-mix?
That box stuff, it's a bit plasticky.
Yeah.
Ours tastes pretty good.
It does taste good. It's really creamy.
Really creamy.
Yummy.
Okay, so we have our cookies, our milk, our ice cream, and now we're going to put it in the blender.
Are we missing something? What happened to this?
That, Gemma, that goes later. It goes
Sorry,
later.
I'm just so excited for sprinkles, that's all.
So we're going to go over to the blender and blitz it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah? Give it a little shimmy.
Little zhuzh.
Yep. Okay. Now we're ready to put it in our cup.
Okay.
So, Now, let's take our sprinkles.
All right, and we're using expensive sprinkles. They're called expensive sprinkles, guys, okay? But they are really good. They're the best sprinkles you can get in the UK.
Yeah, they're really tasty, shockingly tasty.
They are really tasty.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, look at that.
Is that a good amount?
I mean, I would say you could always go for a few more sprinkles, but that's just me.
A few more sprinkles. Yeah?
Let's make it count.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah, look at that.
All right.
And then
We pop our trusty top on.
I'm going to have my straw ready because
Yeah.
I have been dreaming of this moment for weeks. I literally have. Like, how many times, Dane and Nikki, how many times have I said back in the studio when we've got cookies, like, I really want to just make a milkshake? Right, here we go. Oh my God. It's just as great as I remember it. It's so good because it's creamy with the ice cream, but it's also buttery with the cookie. And then I love a bitty milkshake. Like, I don't like them when they're too smooth. I love to be able to, like, do a bit of work, you know. Listen, you've got to make yourself one. We're going to have a burger.
Yeah.
And then we're going to sit down and chew the fat or chew the cookie crumbs out of our milkshakes.
A lot of chewing.
Yeah, there's going to be some chewing.
Yeah.
So we've been hard at it, working so hard making these milkshakes, which are so delicious. I didn't have enough of it back there in the kitchen, so I'm very excited to drink the rest of this. We've also got some burgers because we're starving.
Also, it pairs very well.
It really does pair so well.
Yeah, the saltiness of the burger, the sweetness of the shake, real match made in heaven here.
I actually can't order a burger without a shake, like, I know, and then I can't not drink the entire shake. I would often sacrifice the last bite of a burger for the whole of the shake.
Let's not go too far. Let's not go too far now.
You should know how you can get your hands on these shakes. So they're going to be launching on the 9th of October in all of Bleecker's locations, and all through October you'll be able to get them. Where are your locations, Dan?
So we're in Spitalfields, we're here in Victoria, we're in the Bloomberg building in the city, and we're in Westfield.
And you can also get them on Deliveroo if you are lucky enough to be near a Deliveroo
Outlet.
Bleecker place.
Yes.
But anyway, I think that's enough facts for now. Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, I'm going to actually start.
All right, let's start here, yeah.